Welcome to another Stressy Street Photography Challenge. I'm John, and in this episode that I've chosen to accept is to photograph the three main colours of the Rastafarian flag to celebrate the local culture here in Puerto Viejo in Costa Rica. The rules. The colours are green, red and yellow. I have 5 minutes on each colour. Ready, set, go. So we're starting on green. So anything green, and I've got my 5 minutes. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. I'm not allowed to switch between the two, so I'm not allowed to do like red when I see red. I have to do 5 minutes of green. Is that interesting? I'm not sure. Cool shadows, but don't know. Have to be pretty on this because things happen very quickly, so need to be able to film and photograph at the same time. Green, green, green. Quite a cool bike, the green. Quite a lot of other different colours there. Probably a bit cheating. Green and red, it's quite cool. That's more red, isn't it? I hope green's the hardest one. Oh, this is difficult. How long have I got left? 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, a green boat. Green boat, yes. Hold on, 1 minute. Okay. Surely a palm tree is green, right? That might be it. Got 20 seconds, but there's no way I'm going to find something in 20 seconds. Last green thing, 10 seconds. Okay, that's green done. Okay, that was stressful. Now I've got red and yellow to do. Hopefully that's going to be easier than green, because green was actually quite hard. Okay, red. That is next. 3, 2, 1, go. Red tuk-tuks, that's good. Red tuk-tuk there. Well, that's quite good over there. How about here? Red tuk-tuk. Quite good, not that good. It'd be good to get a panning shot of a red tuk-tuk. That would be better and more interesting. True that. Doesn't look very red down here. I'm going to go somewhere else. This doesn't look... For some reason, they've neglected red here. Oh, this is a good blue spot there. Maybe I'll come down here for blue. Am I doing blue? I'm not even doing blue. I'm doing green, aren't I? No, I've done green. Green, yellow, red. That's right. So I'm not even doing blue. Okay, so I'm doing, what am I doing? I'm doing red. Red, 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 red. Have I got time to photograph a tuk-tuk? If I see one, that is, I don't want to waste my whole time on the red tuk-tuk though. 3 minutes left. Okay, stay calm. Oh, there's a man in red. Should I photograph him? Oh, I couldn't photograph that man. He had a red thing on. I just couldn't do it. I hate that sort of grab shot of people. I hate that. So I don't really do that. Oh, tuk-tuk coming. Pan, pan. 13th of a second. Did I do it? Yes, got the red tuk-tuk. Red trolleys. Literally taking a photo of a trolley. It's getting weirder and weirder as I struggle more and more. I feel like I'm doing a bit better. I've warmed up. And we've got 2 minutes to go. Cool. Don't mind that because he hasn't got his face in it. Sort of done red cars. Need to do something not car related. Oh, come on. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. This is hard. I mean, I could photograph red things, but I need a good photograph of red things. Oh, so stressful. Cool light there. If there was someone sitting there, that would be epic, wouldn't it? But that would be too scary to photograph them anyway. There you go. So that 30 seconds, okay. Okay, 30 seconds. Oh, what's red? I've been down here already. See if I can find anything red in the next 10 seconds. You can't see a space, so this just feels better. Go, there you go, red. Time's up. Okay, that was 5 minutes on red. I feel like I haven't got any there. Oh, this is hard. Okay, so what's the last one? I've done green, I've done red, and I just need to do yellow. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. It's okay to take a photo? Yes. She thought I was mental. Literally just photographing some umbrellas. She thought I was absolutely mental. You should have seen her face. That was embarrassing. What am I doing? Yellow, 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 yellow. There's orange and yellow here on this truck. How about just the lock? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, good yellow that one. Okay, just need something yellow to go past this black canvas, and that will contrast well. That's a good shot here. Nice texture. Get the yellow right in the middle. With the green behind, that looks quite good. Yes. It's definitely the easiest. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, getting desperate now. Yellow fire pump. 2.5 minutes, that's okay. Still got loads to go. I sort of wish I had the guts to just go up to people. There's so many people who would be really photogenic, but just like snapshots them, or can I take a photo of you? But it's just like for 1 second. Usually I like to get a rapport and, you know, photograph them for a little bit so I can explain, they can see what I'm doing. But I hate just like, what am I meant to say in Spanish? Can I photograph you because your hair is red? Or can I photograph you, you've got a yellow t-shirt on? I don't even know how to say any of that stuff, so it just makes me look really weird and I feel uncomfortable doing it, so I don't do it. But I've missed so many opportunities. I can see the shots. I'm like, oh, that would be good. If I did that, that would be a really good shot. Ah, it's sort of annoying. I don't know, I'm in two minds about it. What do you think? Okay, another one for the yellow wheelbarrow. I'm getting excited about yellow wheelbarrows now. This is probably going on too far now. But it's quite addictive and it's fun. Time's up. Okay, that was 5 minutes on yellow. Do you enjoy these challenges that I do? I really enjoy them. I find them very stressful. Don't know if you can tell. But they are really fun and it does get me to focus on one thing. I'm very blasé usually. I just try and find something that looks nice. And this has really focused my efforts on a single colour, which I get probably, well, I know I get completely different photos, but whether they're really good photos is another matter. Fun project anyway.